Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EEGI. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been doing this one, I think this is my third or fourth day in a row, but regardless, that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, and it still remains very popular out there, still getting questions on it, and not a whole lot to update, although there is one little minor update, and we'll see if it leads to anything or not, but it seems minor, but definitely a good sign of strength on the bull's part, and that revolves around the low from today, which is at 0003. You may be thinking, well, what's the big deal? Well, with these 000 stocks, any sort of progress that is made is definitely a good sign, because clearly there's lots of shares that are floating around out there. So progress is something that needs to be tracked. And today, the bulls are actually working on putting in a higher low. For those of you that have been watching the past videos, you know that, and still that remains the case. But 0002 is definitely the very important level of support that you want to see the price stay above, for the simple fact that you don't want to see the price falling back into that dreaded 0001, 0002 channel. And the past couple of days, the bears have tried to press down through there, but the bulls have done a good job of saying, no, not going to happen. But today, bulls made progress in the sense of now the lowest that the bears were able to actually press the price down was only 0003. So therefore, that's a higher low, and that represents some signs of progress on the bull's part. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that just because the bulls put in a higher low that this thing's guaranteed to hit 0025 tomorrow. Not saying that. Just saying that the bulls are making some quiet progress on today, what was a very low volume day. So yes, low volume, but bulls, like I said, during kind of the very quiet, kind of a ninja move today. Low volume, but price made some progress forward. Now, on that note, I do want to make mention that this is something to definitely keep in mind. Now, there's nothing wrong with low volume on consolidation days, which today was. But on 000 stocks like this, you don't want volume to fall off into oblivion because, that's just these sorts of stocks need a lot of volume to keep on moving. So, again, just because today the volume dropped off quite a bit, it can easily return tomorrow or a couple days later this week. But just keep an eye on volume. You don't want it to stay low for too long, because then people lose interest and sell and find something else to play. But as it stands right now, chart is still perfectly fine. 0004 is still that key level of resistance. You can see now 4 days in a row, essentially, trying to battle and get through there. But good sign. I like to see that progress being made. And if the bulls can start to build and create 0003 as a new stair step, that would definitely be a very good sign going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.